Hello guys, VKD here. I guess it's laggy for you. And for the for that central populous thingy, it's called that city. I think we should know more about that house. Okay?
Yeah.
Let's get started.
I'm his friend again, guys.
Yeah, the fun guy again. The guy. Oh my god! I forgot this.
Yeah, the last one.
Oh my god! It's like a chair, and then you can.
The last time that we actually ended by accident, so
Look at me.
Yeah.
How do you shift? Yes, you can.
Last time we actually removed, so we are gonna remove this time. Yeah. So, do you want that? No. You have
Look at this. Look, I'm gonna do this.
Oh.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I'm sitting there.
You're an astronaut.
Of course I am.
Wanted to be astronaut.
I want to be an astronaut.
I want to
be
police.
I actually don't want to be an astronaut. I just want to go to space in the ISS. You don't want an ISS. I like that. Oh, I like that. I like that thing. But what's this put?
What the? Look at the toilet.
How big is the toilet? Wait, I'm definitely living here. I know what it looks like. I know what it feels. How do you?
Wait, what? Nothing's happening. That's not a shower. Oh. Why do we break this, guys? Oh.
Oh.
Break that. Break that. Oh, no. Can you go down? I think.
Okay.
What will happen if you go down?
I go to the void.
Wait, what? Nothing's happening.
I'm gonna break bedrock.
Die.
I went to the void.
Die.
I went to the void. Whoa.
It's a lot hard to get out. It's gonna take
Control. I wish you could fly faster by doing control.
Yeah. Look at the
let me just get something.
Is that toilet? Okay, come on. Hey guys, and in the last Minecraft video we were deciding to make a bathtub. So somehow,
how to make a bathtub?
Yeah, in the Minecraft video we were deciding how to show houses.
Whoa!
We were deciding to how to make houses, and that time we are trying to make a bathtub. So sometimes we will show how to make a bathtub, you guys, if we can. Oh my god!
I'm definitely sleeping on this bed. This is my house. This is my house.
I'm sleeping.
Good thing I did not do a multiplayer.
I'm sleeping in this bed.
I don't think you can do multiplayer on this laptop. You don't have yours.
Yeah, I have one. What up now? There's
the guest room. Oh yeah, bye. Bye everyone.
I'm gonna sleep in this room because there's a TV.
Yes, no, this is the guest room. All of them have a TV.
Yeah, because I'm the guest.
Yes, I love that.
I'm the guest here to sleep with you here. Like in the Minecraft.
Whoa!
Is there frames? I see frames, Drona. Can I show it? Look.
Oh look, those are nice pictures.
I see someone.
Wait. Oh no, teleport. It is the teleport guy.
Oh.
An NPC.
NPC is something that teleports, I think. We were deciding what to do. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I'm not seeing a dead skull. Not seeing a dead skull. Minecraft is supposed to be happy.
Skeleton?
Well, I'm a skeleton. I'm so skinny.
And guys, there are skeleton in our body. Skeletons are the bones that we have in our body.
Everyone should know that. I'm jumping.
Jumping and the poopy jumping.
Hey!
Come on.
It's so easy. Whoa, what's in the backyard?
Go to the swimming pool and fall and never come back. Okay, thanks.
Oh, wait. With the bed. What's an actual bed? I actually want a real bed.
Sleep on the pants so you can get hot and...
Pants? Pants? What pants?
You can sleep on your butt. I mean, you can sleep on the gas and then you'll get hot.
Wait, we did not go on this side.
Oh yeah, guys, we need to explore this time.
It's a... What?
Oh, this is the... Oh, what's it? What?
Wait, what's here? Oh. Hey!
There's a door there. Balcony.
Wow. I want to actually see this house.
Oh. Whoa. It looks like a mansion.
Of course it is.
It's not
Whoa, redstone, guys.
It's not.
I want to beg you.
Hey, why are you breaking the street?
Because I just don't want to die. Teleport me! The bank. I don't want to, realtor.
Wait, what?
I'm gonna go back to the NPC. No!
Why do you want to go there?
I'm so sad. I'm sad, man. What? Oh!
Wait, what?
What's behind me? Look at that!
Oh my god.
Oh, that's so cool.
Is that backpack? No.
Of course it's not. It might be oxygen tank backpack.
Oh yeah.
What's the same? What's the same?
You're an astronaut.
Oh, when I say I wanted to go to the bank, we'll at the bank. What? Is that the...
Oh no, it's a house. Not a house.
Oh, dang,
it's building. It's building, right?
That was my house. Now, what is my house that I wanted to steal? Is that the White House?
Oh yeah.
Please tell me that's not the White House. Oh, that's the White House.
No,
There's astronauts going down, not dying.
Come on.
You
just landed on a car.
Of course I did.
I think there's a teleporter there.
How do you get inside? I just want to get here. I want my credit card. I have my credit card, man.
You can just
Head of trade.
Oh.
I want no trader. You are
go.
diamond.
What, gold?
Diamond.
But gold is better than diamond.
No, diamond is more rare.
What
I want a
But gold is
diamond. I want a diamond.
Gold
Where's my diamond? Where's my diamond?
gold makes you better.
Where's my diamond?
Gold makes you rich. Okay, come on.
Okay, diamonds are more better.
Socks? You wanna say socks?
NPC.
Okay, you can say socks.
Whoa! I'm gonna kill them. I want this house. I don't want to die.
You can.
I want to kill them because.
You can fart and but you cannot kill them. Are you dumb?
Of course I'm dumb. I know I'm dumb.
Okay, come on.
I'm new that in my
You're
whole
not.
life.
Don't say that.
I know I'm dumb. I said I'm a nerd. I'm a nerd a lot.
Say that.
The first video of Minecraft.
Yeah. First
Oh yeah, I'm gonna go here. I still want
First
to go
video
here.
of Minecraft. Did you see it, guys? We first.
Yeah, I think it only came yesterday or today.
Yeah. Look, did you do the thingy like the maze and that?
Yes, I'm not sure.
I think, guys, you can.
I'm allowed to.
Please like to Drona Build Squad, and
This is a good greenhouse. I love this
yeah,
greenhouse.
you can please like to comment and like and subscribe and click the bell icon to Jonas Build Squad, and also do the same thing that my episode named her squad. Capital HARSH, capital S with no space, and Q.
What? I'm just doing Q a lot. No! I need them.
Ow. Come on.
Actually, I don't need them.
Actually, you have a lot of them.
I can just make a house with just bricks. I actually don't want it. I made all of this. I made this whole house and I called it Centropolis.
No.
Yes, I did.
Oh.
Remember? Hush,
Oh,
Stitch. Why do you play Roblox more than Minecraft? I heard you stopped playing it.
No,
Hey!
I play it. I record videos of it. Are you dumb to do that?
Yes, I am dumb.
No, please. You're not.
Stop making me try to say that I'm dumb.
Because you are.
Thank you. I'm dumb. I'm dumb.
But same time if I said you're dumb.
Because I'm dumb. Oh, I'm so funny. I'm dumb. I have my credit card. Here you go. Yay. Wait, what's here? I forgot.
What?
I want to see what. There's no goodies inside it.
Okay,
I knew it.
Hey, go there, and I saw stairs. Oh, there's lots of people there.
Oh, then Devin play. Oh yeah, you're right. Oh, I broke it.
Well,
I'm just gonna break. Can I TNT this whole place? I'm
oh
gonna
yeah. What?
TNT.
Come on, that's not TNT. That's in the right.
Anyway, I'm gonna wait. I need flint and steel. Flint.
Guys,
Yes, Mr. Harsha Doodle.
I just want to say something.
No, I'm not TNT in that place. Actually, I like it.
So so guys, if you wait, okay,
I can do this for you.
so if you go in TNT,
No. TNT. I know there's a coat of it. I know there's a coat.
no, this is not that TNT, okay, guys.
Yeah.
That's like, bleh.
I actually don't want to fire the whole place up.
Fire it. It's gonna.
I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. That's a nice place, even though
It's gonna be good.
I don't want to.
I'm gonna see how that is funny.
Oh yay! Now I can just go back to my house.
Okay.
But now where's my house? Ooh.
Can
I live in this? Yeah, I'm gonna cross the street.
No. Okay, TNT. Put it.
I would know. I know. Is there a speed boost? I need a speed
Will
boost.
the street fall in the water?
I'm falling in the water. I'm barely stuck. I'm just gonna go so fast.
Okay, go on. I just worked.
What? I heard. I just.
Is
this?
I think it's time to sleep. It's Minecraft Education Edition and the okay, come on.
We barely can sleep.
Okay, come on.
I love this frame put. I like it. I liked it. We haven't gone here.
Oh no, we do. Oh, we did. No, yeah, we did. Okay.
Whoa, what's in this? Wow.
It's a Christmas.
So weird.
It looks like a dishwasher.
Why did you say someone's pregnant?
Huh?
Why do you say, I guess someone's pregnant?
She is, and she.
You said that's pregnant. How can a dispenser be pregnant?
Because my teacher is.
What? Then you're on vacation for a whole month.
We got another teacher for like 2 years.
What?
Yeah, that's
it.
That 2 years, and the real teacher is not gonna come back until I go to grade 4. She's at home.
Wow.
Let's explore this leader.
I'm dumb.
Did trick does. That's why you're dumb. Okay, come on.
I ain't got an iron door.
Come on.
This guy. Ooh, I can break more. Yay.
Okay, come on, go in this. Okay, come on.
I like this house.
Okay, come on.
Ooh, is this a subway? I think this is a subway.
Okay, can you teleport anywhere if you want? Oh!
It's a subway!
You can teleport?
No, this is the subway.
Okay.
No, it's just a minecart.
Okay, come on. Drona.
I told you it's just a minecart.
Drona,
I was at minecart.
Drona,
Where's that minecart?
Oh.
I'm just gonna go over there. Let me get over there.
Oh.
Let me get over there to that minecart. I told you.
Then how does Minecraft trains look in real life? Come on.
What? I was just wasting my time. I don't actually.
Come on. What?
It looks weird. Trust me, it looks weird.
When you need a car to go there, you cannot fly and go die.
That. You said dead up. You said die. I said dead up.
Come on, I didn't say that.
I want sea pickle. Why sea pickle?
Give me a chain tank and the chain will do what?
Elements I love it. Wait.
Vampires.
Sorry guys, something just happened. I'm sorry. Now let's just get back to where we were. I like that music. I actually want. Let's just go on this, and then I'm gonna see you next time. Okay? We're just gonna go on this, okay, guys? Now, and then we're gonna see you on the next video.
Please like.
I wish this was faster.
Please subscribe and like
My channel. Wow. Oh, that was a bad idea. That I knew flying was a good time. Not wasting time.
Come on, that was okay. And guys, this is.
Whoa.
And
what?
And guys, and after we're done this, we are also gonna show you this. We are gonna show you this subway thingy, and in the next video. And see you later.
Command?
Yeah, but.
Okay, I'm gonna go now. Okay, we're gonna see you in the next video, and it's gonna be me, VKD. Bye.